Hi everyone. If you have also recently integrated DocuSign to your Salesforce environment and are facing issues while fetching the DocuSign templates due to excess of the name credential, this video is for you. So let me show you what's the error and how to resolve it. If I click on Fetch DocuSign templates, I get this error message. The callout couldn't access the endpoint. You might not have the required permission, or the name credential DocuSign might not exist. But I've created the DocuSign name credential, right? Your org has it. Then what's the issue? It's there. It's of type legacy, as it's written in the Salesforce documentation. So what we have to do here is we have to do a few things. The first thing is we have to create an external credential. We have to create a name principal. We have to create another name credential and link it to the external credential and then give access through a permission set. So just let's start doing the steps one by one. First, we'll create an external credential. I'll name it DocuSign. For authentication protocol, I'll choose OAuth, and this I'll keep it as is. I'll check the identity provider as the identity provider I created for the DocuSign, which is this. And for scope, I'll give it like this, and we'll click on save. Once this is done, it should look like this. We'll also create a name principal, but that option, yeah, we'll create the name principal here. So we'll click on new. We'll give any unique name. Identity type will be name principal and save. So I have these two things now. Now I'll have to create a name credential to go with this external credential. I already have this legacy one, but I'll create a new type which will be DocuSign. For URL, I have to give the URL which is for the DocuSign. Let me go here to get the URL. This is my URL. External credential, I'll choose the one which I have just created. Client certificate blank. Other things will remain same. Here I'll give the Omni Studio namespace. Whatever namespace your Omni Studio package has, you'll give this namespace here and see. Now this is done. Now we'll go to the name principal again and open this external credential and go here. Here if you see the authentication status says not configured. So we'll have to authenticate it to make it configured. Done. Now the next thing is you have to create a permission set. I already have created a permission set. So that is known as any person who is going to implement work on this DocuSign feature should have this permission set. So what all things permission set should have is the first thing is it should have the user external credential access. all the access here, user external credential. The second thing it should have is the external credential principal access. So if I edit it here, I'll get my name principal which I created with the external credential. So I'll bring it on the right hand side and save. Now I will have to assign this permission set to my user, which I have already done. Let me show it to you. See, DocuSign permission set is assigned. Now let's see if the error is resolved. I'll click on the refresh button to refresh the page, and we will click on this button again. Yeah. So now we are not getting that error because I don't have any other templates at this moment in my account. It's not giving me an updated list, but the error is resolved. So this is how you can fix this name credential error related to DocuSign. Thanks for watching.